Okay, and today was our last class. And if we are doing a web application course, there I'll teach you up all the thing HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. So how to create a web application, website, how will even how to create a games in your website also. That also I'll teach you. We will be creating games in our web browser also, website. Okay, where everyone can come and play. One thing is that. Second thing is that we will be having animation videos also in our website. That is somehow difficult. That also I'm going to teach you guys. So if you guys have any kind of issue related to Python, okay, or career related also, you can take my advice. You can ask me, just email to my email ID, okay, and you guys can ask me. I will revert back your email for sure. Okay, is it clear from everyone?
We can ask you by Skype, is that okay?
Yeah, Skype is all okay. Skype is also our email ID also okay, fine. These two places I will be online most of the time. Okay, Tony, all good? So if everything is good, just give a thumbs up. So yes, how was the class? What all things you have learned and your experience with me, how was it? Please.
Always good. I love that. I basically hate games, but I love that we learned how to make a game. That I liked it a lot.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. And you have learned the Python as well, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So this is for yes. This emoji belongs to yes. Now coming to Tony. Tony, how was your experience? You can share your experience since it's the last class.
It was really nice. I learned how to make games. I learned how to make many things.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Durik, how was it? Your experience, Durik?
My experience was good. I like to make the games, but it was difficult to make them because I was getting error.
Okay. But you successfully did it, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. Excellent. So this is for Durik. Now coming to Neil. How was your experience, Neil?
I liked it really a lot. I enjoyed we learned how to make games and all that stuff, even though sometimes it was hard to do the things, but it was still fun to do them.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so this is for your Neil, and this is for Tony. Okay, fine, guys. Then it was really nice talking to you guys and teaching you and making you understand how to perform, how to write the code from very scratch and doing all those things. It was really nice that today you guys were having confident that what all questions I am giving you guys able to understand it beforehand, and you were sure about and confident that okay fine sir, we can easily do all the questions which you have given, isn't it? So all the questions which I was explaining before completion of my explanation, you guys were excited to do and to execute it also. Okay, so that was really thinking that fine. And Neil was someone all the times willing to explain all the questions, how we will do it. So goes with the Tony also. He's also all the time I'm making him to explain. Okay, Durik also clearing his doubt and all. Yes is also I'm making yes also to explain all the time. And yes is also ready for all the time to explain the questions once he understand it. So that was really nice. Okay, fine. You guys have my email ID as I am writing once again msa tutorpy@gmail.com. Okay, you can get contact to me anytime at this email ID or in the Skype also. Both are available for you guys. Okay. Okay then. Thank you guys.
Sir, look, I like this class because, like, Many times I used to tell my friend like, make this for me in Python, make that for me in Python. But now it's good that I know how to do it.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so just I have given you 6 projects, Python projects that you need to do it and submit it before 22 June 2021. Okay, that needs to be in my email ID. Okay, then bye bye, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.